Hello racers! Welcome back to Raceborn, your favorite Formula One news channel. Today we're going to talk about Albon'S recent accidents and how they might affect Williams. According to information from the race website, these incidents could have a significant financial impact on the team. Let's dive deeper into this situation. But before that, don't forget to hit the like button to support the channel. Let's get into the news. During the first free practice session of the Australian Grand Prix, Albon encountered a serious accident. The impact was so strong that it severely damaged the car's chassis, rendering it impossible to repair throughout the race weekend. This resulted in Logan Sargeant being unable to start in Melbourne, as he had to lend his car to Albon. And it doesn't end there. In the Japanese GP, Albon was again involved in another accident right at the start, causing significant damage to the chassis. These damages, as reported by the race, will cost Williams over $2 million. The situation is concerning not only because of the financial impact, but also due to the context in which Williams finds itself. This year, the F1 budget cap is set at $135 million, making every expense even more critical. Furthermore, Williams is among the three teams that have yet to score points this season, alongside Alpine and Sauber. This combination of factors puts the team in a challenging position. Therefore, Albon'S recent accidents not only represent a significant financial cost for Williams, but also increase the pressure on the team to improve its performance. With the season underway and competition intensifying, it will be interesting to see how Williams tackles these challenges. Stay tuned to Raceborn for more updates and analysis on the exciting world of Formula One. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment below with your thoughts. Until the next video,